I see bridges, I think of Sonny Rollins. That dude used to perfect his craft on the Williamsburg Bridge every night, I heard. That's why his jazz cats call it the Sonny Rollins Bridge instead.
I like that. I think every artist needs that, like their bridge, so to speak. That place where they can just be.
So where's yours?
My bridge?
Yeah.
Back home in Jamaica, at my great granny's house. She used to live in this house up in the mountains, and I'd go up there and just dance. But you can't do that here.
Why not?
Because people will look at you like you're crazy.
What if we dance right here, right now?
Malachi, stop.
Why not? You scared?
Oh my God.